Imagine turning few keywords into fully written WordPress blogs or sharing these blogs across various social media platforms or even converting your YouTube videos into a fully written blog. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 blog automation using Pabbly Connect. Now in today's fast-paced world, creating content is not a huge task, but sharing this content to various social media platforms, that too consistently, that is. So here in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 blog automation which I've created, and you can use this too for your business to grow your reach and grow your various social media platforms. If you also want to learn how you can create this, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So here we are going to learn the top 5 blog automation using Pabbly Connect. The first one is how to write a WordPress post using AI agent starting from a few keywords. Now here I have built the connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and WordPress in such a manner that whenever I am adding the keywords, target audience, tone, word count in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the blog is automatically generated and posted to my WordPress. Now here I am going to show you the step-by-step process. First, in my trigger application, I have selected Google Sheets. Now trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Now here in this trigger application, I have selected Google Sheets, and as soon as I'm adding the title, keyword, target audience, tone and word count in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, this workflow got triggered. Here I have set up this webhook connection inside my spreadsheet, and as the connection was successful, all this data was sent to my workflow like this. Over here you can see that we have all the details which I have in this particular spreadsheet. Now as soon as the data was sent, I selected my action application as OpenAI, where I'm going to give the prompt in such a manner that these are the details on which I want to generate a blog. I have provided all the details, or I have mapped all the details which I have captured from my previous response, which was this Google Sheets. So here what I have done, I have clicked on this field, go towards this Google Sheets spreadsheet, and then simply map this in this manner instead of manually entering it. Now I'm going to provide the video link of the detailed tutorial video of this particular topic in the description. You can check that out to get the better understanding of this particular process. After providing the prompt, I simply hit the save and send test request, and the blog was generated for me. Now same blog I posted to my WordPress. I selected my next action application as WordPress and my action event as create a post, where I have selected the post type, entered the post title and mapped the response which I have received from this OpenAI. As I mapped this, I hit save and send test request, and this blog was created on my WordPress. To test this once, I am going to write some title, keywords, target audience here in front of you, and as I enter these details, you will see a blog will be automatically created over here. I am going to do this in front of you to test this once. So in the title, I am going to write Pabbly is the best automation software. The keywords are AI automation in digital world. The target audience is businesses, automation experts, AI experts. The tone should be professional and forward thinking. The word count is 800. Here I have added all the details. Now as soon as I add the detail in the last column, the complete raw data is sent to my workflow. I am going to open my WordPress. I'm going to refresh this page once and check whether any blog is created or not. And here it is, we have created this blog automatically. Pabbly is the best automation software. If I click on this view, I will be able to see the post which is created. Let's open this and check what type of post or a blog is generated by the AI agent. So here you see that the title is this: Pabbly is the best automation software, AI automation in the digital work, transforming business efficiency. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses are continually striving to optimize operation and enhance customer experience. Then I have this understanding AI automation, key benefits of AI automation for businesses. Here I have received point-by-point explanation with the conclusion in the end. So you see how useful this automation which we have created using Pabbly Connect is. I simply have to enter the keyword title in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. AI is going to generate the content, and that would be posted automatically to the WordPress platform or any other blog application which you select. Moving on towards the next automation, which is use an AI agent for automated blog post translation. Now here you see I have connected my Facebook pages with OpenAI, and the idea here is that I'm posting a blog on my Facebook page. So this is my blog and I want to generate the translation of this particular blog in another language, and I want it to be posted to my another page like this. So you see it has been posted in this particular page and we have posted the same blog on another page. Now how the setup was created? First, I have built the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect. I've selected the trigger event as new post because whenever the new post will be created, this workflow is going to get triggered and capture the response in this particular workflow. Now here, as soon as I created this particular post, I was able to capture the response here in this workflow. I selected the Facebook page, you can see over here, and then as soon as I created the post, I was able to capture the response. Here you can see the response which we have captured. The page was automation software. Then this is the same blog which we have created and posted to this Facebook page. And here it is. You can see what is Pabbly, a simple guide to its users, product and features. What is Pabbly? A simple guide to its users, product and feature. Now in my action application, I've selected OpenAI, using which I'm going to translate this blog which I've posted on my Facebook, and I've entered the prompt like translate blog post from English to French while maintaining engagement, clarity and natural tone. And then I mapped this particular post which I have captured from this previous response, entered all the details, all the things I require in the prompt itself, and it generated the content for me. I posted the same content, selecting my next action application as Facebook page, where I have selected the action event as create page post. I have built the connection between Pabbly Connect and this particular page. So on this particular page, I'm going to post this translated version. So I simply map the response which I've received from OpenAI, hit save and send test request, and this content was posted to my Facebook page, the other Facebook page. We are going to test this once. I'm going to create a post on this particular Facebook page. So here I'm going to enter the text. I've entered the text. How to automate your entire business workflow using Pabbly. Running a business today often means juggling multiple tools, handling repetitive tasks, and constantly switching between apps. I have provided a detailed blog post and I'm going to simply click on this publish. As soon as the post will be published, here it is published, I'm going to go back towards my page, refresh this once. And here it is, just now we have created this page post. Now I'm going to go towards my another page and check whether the translated version of this particular post has been created and posted there or not. So here I'm going to refresh this page once. And here it is, we can see just now we have generated the translation and posted to this particular page. You can connect your Facebook pages of your Facebook account, create the setup, and you can post same blog in different languages in different pages. So moving on towards the next automation, here we have is create WordPress post for published YouTube video. Now here I have built the connection between YouTube, Google Gemini and WordPress in such a manner that as I post a new video on my YouTube channel, the content is automatically generated, or the blog is automatically generated using Google Gemini. It is going to analyze the details which I'm going to enter in the prompt and then create a post out of it. Now how we are going to do this? In the trigger application, I have selected YouTube, and in the trigger event I have selected new video in channel with video URL. Now as soon as the video will be posted, I am going to receive or capture the response in this particular workflow with all the details like this title, description, and the rest of the details with the channel name. Now here, as I capture these details, I want to send these details to Google Gemini. Before that, I have used this filter step in my action application where I have selected this as the title. I have entered the label as title and the filter type is does not contain shorts. Now here in this particular workflow, I want to generate the blog out of the video and not shorts, and that's why I've used this filter action step. In this filter type, I've used does not contain and the value is shorts, which means the label should not be equal to the value which is shorts, so that it filters out and it only generates the blog for the video I'm going to post. The status was success, after which I selected my action application as Google Gemini, and using this particular prompt, I am a content creator and I post content on my YouTube channel. I want to generate content on my title of my videos that I've posted on my YouTube channel, and the title of the video is this particular one, and then I want to post it on my WordPress site. So can you generate the content in HTML on this topic briefly? You can also add the description in this particular prompt, and after adding this prompt, I have selected the model and the method. After I hit save and send test request, you see that it has generated this blog for me. And in my final action application, I have selected WordPress, where I simply need to map the title and the content which I have generated using WordPress. As I hit save and send test request, I received a positive response with a post ID, which means the post was created. Now here I'm going to add the workflow link. What you can do, you simply have to open this workflow link, build the connection between your application, create the entire setup, and it is going to start working for you. I'm also going to add the video link for better explanation of this particular topic with the workflow link in it. So the next automation here we have is auto create blog and social media content using RSS feed and Perplexity. Now here I have built the connection between RSS by Pabbly, Perplexity AI, using which I'm going to generate the content and I'm going to post it to my Google Blogger. Now here I am capturing the news feed in my trigger application. I have selected RSS by Pabbly. In the feed URL, I have entered Times of India RSS feed, from where I am capturing the latest news. Now as I do this, I am capturing the title, the link of this particular news with the other details like category and the description. And as I capture these details, I am using Perplexity AI to generate the content. Now here I have selected the model and the roles, after which in this content user, I have entered the prompt. I have entered the detailed prompt and I have entered everything in this prompt in the way I want my blog to be generated and posted to Google Blogger. So here I have entered all the details. I have entered the title with the news link in it. Now it is going to generate the content for me and I am going to post it to my Google Blogger. So here you see it has been posted. The content which was generated, it was posted to my Google Blogger like this. The content it generated for me, it got posted to my Google Blogger like this. So here I have simply built the connection between RSS by Pabbly, Perplexity AI and Google Blogger. I'm going to attach the link of this particular workflow with the video link for the deeper explanation. And this particular automation is going to help you keep your blogs updated with new news feeds. So you do not have to search for the latest news manually. Instead, you can capture the news according to your niche. You can ask your AI agent to generate a new fresh blog on that and you can post it directly to your Google Blogger. Moving on towards the final automation here we have is turn WordPress post into multi-platform content automatically. Now if you're a content creator and you want to post your content on various social media platforms like cross-posting, you want to increase your audience on various social media platforms, then this automation will work wonders for you. Here I have simply built the connection between WordPress, LinkedIn, Twitter and Google Blogger in such a manner. As soon as I'm creating a new blog on my WordPress, the same blog will be shared on my LinkedIn and then same blog will be shared to my Twitter. So here I'm going to tweet like this: hello, we have created a new blog, check it out here. And then I'm going to add or map the perma link which I have received from my previous response. Because I cannot post huge blogs on my Twitter, I'm going to receive a perma link in my WordPress trigger step, which I'm going to map it over here so that I can share the same link of my blog to my Twitter also. Then I finally share the same content on my Google Blogger. So the content is posted like this. This was the content which we have shared on WordPress, LinkedIn, Twitter and Google Blogger. So here you see this is how I have created this automation. I'm going to attach the link, workflow link of this particular automation with a YouTube link for the detailed explanation and your understanding. If you're a content creator, you do not have to post your content, or if you're a marketer, you do not have to keep posting on various social media platforms individually. Instead, you can simply automate everything using this simple workflow which I have created using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can also use the free 100 tasks which you get on signing in on Pabbly Connect and check whether it works well for you or not. And when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.